Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 days challenge. This is day 86, so let's get things started. Very quick update in terms of current balance, right? It still remains the same at 9,482. There's no change, and there's no closing of any position yet. In terms of opening position wise, I did open a few long setup, and that is based on the shorter time frame. On my main trading setup, I'm actually still holding out in terms of the trading stop loss, like what I've been mentioning for the past few days. Yeah. All right, so today I'm just doing a very quick update in terms of the daily chart for Bitcoin and also the 4-hourly chart. But over here, you do see that I'm looking at the weekly chart because tomorrow will be the weekly closing, and it looks really bullish in a sense that you can see this very large green candle. And yeah, so maybe I'll just remove the lines. You'll be able to see clearer that it's very nicely trending in this weak region, which happened in say 2019. And those it was clearly strongly rejected in the week itself. It rejected once, rejected twice, rejected the third time, and after that it falls down. So over here is a very good sign that it's breaking upwards. Of course, if you look into the context of this thing, it's a very strong bullish thing, bullish market structure. So overall, I'm still leaning towards bullish market structure until there's a clear, strong resistance rejection like them, somewhat like this, before potentially you could be trending and consolidating and potentially breaking down. That is where it will be potentially a bit more bearish in that sense. So yeah, so weekly has yet to close. So let's see how things goes. Right now, it does looks really strong because it's been pushing up higher, especially if you take a closer look in terms of the daily chart. So daily chart still looks bullish, even though there was some sign of resistance. Price still trend within the weak region, which shows that even though it was clearly rejected, buyers were still interested to buy at this kind of level. So it's not so much of a rejection. I would say it was just like sellers selling off when he has hit a particular target. So for myself, I'm still be accumulating. In fact, near the 13,000 mark, I still bought a little bit more. And now it's at 13,150. All right, on the 4-hourly chart, it definitely does look bullish as well as price trend very near towards this key resistance region. Yeah, so right now, this 4-hourly resistance, I would mean it to be somewhere along here. Yeah, so I would say this is a clear resistance. So potentially, if you have yet to enter a trade, this could be a potential price action setup. So if it breaks above this high, which is this at 13235, so you could enter approximately 13240. Yeah, 13245, or you can be conservative and then 13251. Stop loss wise, I'll use this as the stop loss of the 20 exponential moving average as stop loss. So it'll be somewhere along here. So the risk to reward is almost 1:1.5. That's a pretty good risk to reward. You could move your target a little bit higher, but yeah, that's more or less about it. Key resistance I see above here is near the 14,000 mark. So I'll definitely be more cautious if price reached to there and there was a clear and strong rejection. Then that's where you could potentially take some profit and leave the remaining to right. So for me, I'm still trailing my stop loss over here. With this trade setup that I've entered over here, and I'm still trailing to it. How far it can go, I do not know, but let's see how price react to it. Otherwise, that's basically the quick update I have. I've already added some position over here, but that again is based on the 1-hourly chart. But if you're entering on the 4-hourly chart, then I'll enter based on breakout over here as well. Otherwise, that's more or less about it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.